Bank Wave Mastercard. Pag-usapan natin yan. Honest review ko, watch this video. Mga sisis, this is Trixie and I usually talk about personal finance and episode 2 na tayo ng ating credit card review. Usapan natin ngayon ang Security Bank Wave Mastercard. Let me just take my notes. First, ang offer nila, this is a no annual fee for life. So, entire duration of the usage of the card. So, maganda yan. 1% cashback on online purchases daw ito. It earned up to 1% rebate on all online transaction with a maximum of 3,000 pesos cashback per year. This one is a cashback card. So, pag cashback card, halimbawa may binili ka, magkakaroon ka ng cashback from that. Tapos, yung cashback na yun, good as cash. Kaya, cashback siya. Kiniklaim din nila na sila ang may pinakamababang interest for 2.5%. Kasi sa other credit card, meron yan mga 3%, no? Sa kanila, 2.5%. So, in case na may mga fee kayo, ganyan, mas mababa yung interest niya. Which is, I love. Ibig sabihin, mahal nila yung customer nila. They claim as well na sila ay eco-friendly kasi yung mga card daw nila made from recyclable material. Kino-confirm din dito na meron silang exclusive deals promos. So, meron silang mga deals and promos. Ano naman yan? Typical naman yan sa mga card. So, kung anong bank ka, meron niyang mga partner merchants. Tapos, pwede ka magkaroon ng promo using those cards. What's my thoughts on it? I think the SB Wave Mastercard, this is very beginner-friendly. Wala siya yung mga lounge access, wala din siyang annual fee. How to apply? You can go in their website and check. Usually naman ang requirements din yan, same lang sa mga requirements pag ikaw ay nag-a-apply ng credit card, yung mga IDR, payslip, yung valid ID. Tapos, ayun nga, mag-apply na lang kayo and provide all the necessary requirements. Would I recommend this one? I would highly recommend this one because I am a person who loves the cards that doesn't have annual fee. Kasi yung annual fee, babayaran mo siya per year. Kung makukuha mo naman yung card na same lang yung nakukuha mo sa ibang card na may annual fee, you go for one na wala ng annual fee. And what I love about it as well, super baba ng interest nila, 2.5% compared to other cards. I am not sure kung pag makakapag-apply ka ba nito pag meron ka sa kanilang account, but surely you can try. Kung gusto niyo mapanood yung episode 3 at yung mga iba pa nating episode dito sa Credit Card Honest Review, please like and follow for more. Share niyo na rin to sa iyong mga kakilala or friends. Bye!